Let's continue discussing the prerequisites for formal reading instruction. And now we'll look at phonics and the alphabetic principle and how we can train our students to develop awareness about phonics and the alphabetic principle, and how can we as EFL teachers can train our students, right? Uh, well, as you might have noticed in the previous module, our emphasis was on developing the phonemic awareness. So apart from the phonemic awareness, we can develop the letter knowledge or the sound knowledge or the knowledge about the symbols used in the text. When the students have got knowledge of these letters, symbols, or the sounds, they will become fluent readers. So this knowledge, this fluency can be enhanced by increasing students' expertise in phonics. And for example, you might have seen like the good readers, when they come across unknown words, they are not stuck by them. Rather, they reconstruct the meaning, they understand it, infer the meaning, name it, and attach a specific meaning, right? So the more important thing is just to take departure from knowing names of letters and developing a sense about purpose of letters or sounds, and engaging learners in activities to visualize letters, to recognize letters visually, or helping them from letters. So we can teach students how to attend to sounds or phonology of language. So phonics and decoding, or the alphabetic principle, has its significance in developing students' awareness of sounds of individual words. And we can, in order to do this, we can bring in some activities or games or words or syllables which are interesting, which are funny, and which actually push the students to become aware of the phonemic significance for becoming fluent readers.